Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure and gather all ingredients first. Use 12 ounces white chocolate chips, 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons butter for a smooth base. Prepare 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/2 cup rainbow sprinkles, reserving a tablespoon for the top. Line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment and spray lightly with cooking spray so the fudge releases cleanly. Keep a bench scraper or spatula ready for smoothing, and set a small bowl of extra sprinkles to sprinkle immediately after pouring for best adhesion. Combine the white chocolate chips and 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk in a microwave-safe bowl and heat gently until smooth, stirring every 20 seconds to prevent scorching. Alternatively, use a double boiler over simmering water and stir until fully melted and glossy. Remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon vanilla until the mixture is uniform and shiny. Immediately fold in most of the 1/2 cup rainbow sprinkles. Pour the mixture into the lined 8x8-inch pan. Chill the poured fudge in the fridge uncovered for 2 hours or until fully firm. Scoring the top first makes cleaner cuts. When ready, lift the parchment from the pan, score into 1-inch squares using a sharp knife, then cut through carefully for 1-inch pieces. Store fudge in an airtight container at room temperature up to 7 days, or freeze in layers separated by parchment for up to 3 months. For variations, add 4 ounces cream cheese for tang, 1/4 cup candy pieces, or swap sprinkles for chopped nuts as desired.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.